Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a PC featuring the Ryzen 7, B450 Tomahawk, the Corsair Vengeance RAM, WD Blue SSD, 650 watt power supply, 1650 Super, and deep cooled matrix case. Alright, so let's go over why I chose the processor. I chose the Ryzen 7 2700 because it's 8 cores, 16 threads, and it'll be great for editing these videos for you guys, and it'll be good for basically any task that I would like to do with it. So we've just installed the CPU right there. We're going to now install the AMD stock cooler. I chose the B450 Tomahawk motherboard because it's a good motherboard with good VRMs. It is not a bare bones motherboard. It has support for a lot of premium features that a lower end motherboard may not have. It will last for a long time, which is another reason that I chose this. It will also, if I would like to upgrade in the future to a higher end processor, then I can do that. I'll have to do these. Alright, I chose the Corsair Vengeance, 16 gigabytes, 3600 megahertz. It's 2x8. This is a good kit because it's compatible with my motherboard. It's a very reliable brand. Corsair is very reliable, and I thought they would look good in my PC. Alright, we got the RAM installed, got the CPU, and the CPU cooler installed. My next step is I'm going to install the M.2 standoff, and then I'm going to do the M.2. And then we might be ready to matching it in the case. Alright, I chose the WD Blue 500GB M.2 SSD because it is a very fast SSD. WD is a very reliable brand, and it would be compatible with my motherboard. There we go. It's going in good now. Just hand tight. There we go. SSD is installed. Alright guys, we just got all the screws in. The I/O shield was a little bit of a pain just because that's a really finicky thing when building PCs, but it went in good, so that's good. Screws are in. The next step is installing the power supply and starting to wire things up. I'm really excited. This is looking really good. Guys, I didn't show you the graphics installation, but the graphics card is installed right now. It is booted. I'm so happy right now. We got the USB stick in that has Windows 10 on it. It is currently installing Windows 10 right now. I am so happy with this computer. It looks pretty cool. We're gonna cable manage this thing after Windows is all done installing, and I'll show you the finished product of how everything looks in a minute. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a little update on how it renders videos. It is rendering this thing amazingly. This thing is so fast. Like, I've never had a computer that can render a video in like under a day. Like, this is insane. It's been 3 minutes and it's almost rendered the entire thing. It is using all CPU, 10 gigs of RAM, and it's bouncing. It's actually on the low end right now on the GPU, but this thing is amazing. Alrighty, as you saw from that time lapse, we got 3,667 points. It is pretty good. I'm about to install editing software. I'm gonna try DaVinci Resolve. If you guys have any recommendations for a certain editing software that is free, that is good for beginners, let me know in the comments. Also, let's get into this Fortnite gameplay.